Hey, I have a question.
Hold on, we're about to go on the record here, hold on. Okay, people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Vail. This is file 01-10894. Mr. Vail is here appearing by video from the jail on a warrant that was issued when he failed to appear for the show cause hearing that was held back on May 10th, 2021. He was supposed to appear at that time and explain why he should not be held in contempt of court for not paying on his court obligations. He owes $166 on this file. The last payment was made in January of this year, where he paid $65 to get his last warrant lifted for not appearing at the show cause hearing. He indicates that currently he is homeless, but he has provided us an address of a relative. And I've explained to him that his next court date's June 14th. Correct, Mr. Vail? June 14th, if you make a payment by then, you don't need to come into court. If you can't make the payment, you need to come into court. Okay. So what was your question?
Yep. I was wondering why they have never, in my life since they took my driver's license, ever given me a restricted license. So they can't say that I have abused them because they have never given me one to drive back and forth to work. I've seen guys that have 5, 6 DUIs get restricted driver's license. I have none of that on my record. It's because I've never paid fines and they've never given me a restricted driver's license. Never. And I don't understand why. Are they setting me up for failure or what? Because I mean, I'm never DUI guys that get them faster than I do. I have never had a restricted driver's license.
But I don't know. That's handled by the Secretary of State, and they've taken it away from the Court of Appeal or the Circuit Court to have any issues with those. It's done through the Secretary of State, and the failure to pay tickets is a district court matter where they can suspend your license. Now that's all changing, but you would need to talk to the district court judge about any of those cases where you had your license suspended for not paying on your court fines and costs downstairs. In circuit court, we can't do that. We can't suspend your license for not paying. We can't put you in jail for just not paying. We have to give you the opportunity to make the payments and then appear in court and explain why if you can't. If you can't, I understand. But I don't have anything to do with your suspended license. That's not related to this case, and I don't know why that is. But talk to the district court judges who you still owe money to on their cases and see.
Well, ain't that why I owe $160?
No, on this
case,
you
owe $100 is because I'm driving on suspended, so that would be with this case.
No, this
case. That's what the funds for.
No, Mr. Vail, this case is $166 that's left.
For what?
I don't have the file. It's so old. Let me see. Hold on.
For driving on suspended.
I don't handle driving while license suspended, Mr. Vail. That's not a felony.
Okay.
Okay, that's a district court. That's a misdemeanor case. And I can't suspend your license for not paying your fines and costs. It looks like, this is for animals killing or torturing from 2001. And you were ordered to pay fines, costs, restitution. You were ordered to pay a $60 crime victims fee, $60 DNA fee, restitution of $201. And then since then, you didn't make any payments, so $24 was added in interest. And then you've failed to appear 2 times for show cause hearings. And so that was $30 because it's $15 for each failure to appear for the processing. And then I suspended the $24 late fee. And then you made that one payment of $65. So the total on this case, now does that jog your memory? Because that was before I was a judge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You were represented by Judge Tomlinson now. He was at the time was your defense attorney, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, sir. It doesn't.
That's okay.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, okay.
I remember.
All right. So we will send this out to you one day, credit one day, and we'll see you back here on June 14th if you can't make that payment, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, thanks, Mr. Vail.
Yep.